Hello everyone. In machine learning program, today project is life expectancy prediction. It means that that time we predict the life life expectancy where we measure the average time of human being is expected to live. So this is the project. First you will have installed this library, then import the library. This one is the, and next is the data. So this is the data, and next we want to see the last 5 rows. So this is the last 5 rows information, then how many rows in object type, integer type, and next is the shape, rows and columns. So these are the rows and these 22 column. Now want to see the column name. These are the country, years, status, life expectancy. These are the column name, 22 column name, and data type is object. Now check the null value. So there is a lot of null value. Life expectancy have 10, adult mortality 10, alcohol also have the null value. So these are the null values. Now we see this null value with visualization. So this is the yellow line show the, there is the null value. This is the line show the null value. Alcohol also have null value, you can see. Then 194, there is the alcohol null values. Then percentage expenditure also have null, no sorry, hepatitis b also have null value. So this is the hepatitis b also have null value. So these uh, show the null value with visualization. Now we fill the null value. So df dot fill na, where I pass the mean value and in place equal to. So it's working. Now check the sum of the null value. Is there is df dot is null dot sum. So now there is no any null value because I have filled by mean values. Again checked by the visualize. So you can see that there, that time there is no any yellow line. First it show the yellow line where is the null value. Now count, you can also use with the df dot count. It also show like a null value. So you can, these are the column name, country, year, status. So it show the all, these are the rows, so all are equal. So data is same 29382938. You can also check like this. Now life, this is the column name df dot 6559. Now check the boolean value and objective type values. So it gives the index, country and status. These are the object type and boolean value. Boolean means yes and no. Now check the status. What is the status? The unique value. So it gives the unique value. There is the status is the column name and it give the value is, there is the column name is, so it give 2. If I want to see the number, name of the column, column name value by name, that time I am using. So if we check this, that it give the two values number, and in number wise it show the two, and name wise is also two, like name, it give the name developing and develop. This is the column values, status column values. Okay, now change the, क्योंकि it is the boolean value, so we change the status value by using the map function df, where I pass the column name and then dot map and give the column value. Developing is 0 and develop is 1. Okay, one form. The next one is using the count plots for visualize the status. It count the how much is developed and developing. So you can see the develop is 0 and developing is 1. So developing is very less. We need to developing. Now next is the using the correlation, where PLT then give the figure size, and then using the SNS heat map, where I pass the this is the my data set name, and then correlation, and these are the some parameters, and then give the title. It is not compulsory that you have to given like this, it depend on you. You can only use the df.co, so it's working. So this is the correlation by each column: year, status, life expectancy, and this is the correlation. Now count plot, the same with using the plot is the count plot, where I am using the column name is the life expectancy. So it count the value how much the life is. So you can see the, it count the value that above to 40, it give the above to 40 expectancy of the life. Now there is no need to the country, so I drop it to the country. So df dot drop and column name is country, and in place equal true. So after change the data remain same. So it remove the country. Next one is uh, splitting the data. So where I am using from sklearn and the selection import train test, where x I pass the df dot drop life expectancy, and x is equal to 1, because this is the column, that's why, and print it. So it drop the column life expectancy. Now in while level, where I pass the life expectancy, so it give the life values. Next is training and testing data. So it's working, where I pass the test size 0.2 and random state equal 0. Now want to see the shape of the, so you can see that there is, this is the row and this 20 column, because I have dropped 22 columns in before. I drop country column and life expectancy, and this is the row, so remain 20 column. That I am using model is linear regression, and then I create the method lr and then linear regression. Now fit the train data, and next is the predict the data, where I pass the after testing, so it give the output after predicting. Now check the X data I have checked now, y test data, so you can see the y test data. Next is using the mean square error and R to score. So where I am using the mean square, this is create the variable name and then pass the mean square error, where I pass the y text and y predict and then print the, so it give the mean square is 16.318. And next is the score. So how much score is 0.82. Now after printing that accuracy, we change to the accuracy. So there I have want to see the lr dot score, where I pass the x train and y train. So x train y train accuracy is 0.81, and there is the 82. This is the testing accuracy is more than the training. Same is the score is a 82 point, same thing is there. Now see the actual predicting life expectancy by using the scatter plot. So, so it look like a actual predicting life this is the predict the life expectancy, and this is the actual life expectancy. So you can see that it give the above to 60, you can say that 65 prediction of the life. So this is the project about the life expectancy. Thank you.